Alright, today we're going out with Melissa and her husband Rich. Hey Rich. How you doing, bud?
Good, how are you?
Good. You going for a joyride today?
Joyride.
And we got Karen back here. We're going to go chase some trout and see how we do. And we'll report back later.
Yeah. In the water.
I don't want to swim away.
No, you won't. All right, Melissa, what you got?
Look at him puffing.
Bring it in. Bring it in. You bring him over the edge of the boat here. He's going to be gone. Now, you're going to have to hold a football here in a second as soon as you grab him, just so you know. But it'll be easy to get the hook out. So use your glove to hold him. And then you're right-handed or left-handed?
Where's my big brother when I need him?
No, you can do that. If I can do a puff, no, he won't. Okay, don't squeeze him too hard because he's trying to puff.
Look it up.
Look at his teeth.
Yeah.
Just back it out.
I'm sorry, little puffer. Can you relax? It's just stuck.
It's stuck in his bone. Just pull
No,
as
it's
best you
skin.
can. Okay, just when you back it out, press away from the barb so the barb has room in the hole. You're gonna get it.
I feel terrible, buddy.
I get it.
So loose. Oh, bye, puffer. Going. I got my first fish.
Yay! Okay, you're gonna break open the beer?
Yep. Where's that cooler?
You want me to get it for real?
Yeah.
All right.
Let
Speckled sea trout.
me see him.
See?
Nice fish. Look at
Yes.
that.
Oh.
Good fish. Flopping around the
Oh,
boat.
thank you, dude. You've made
You
it
gotta
easy.
clean the boat now, Karen.
Yeah.
Okay, let me put my gooey rag down so I can kiss. Hey, I just turned on the camera. Where'd it go?
I don't know. I
Man.
got some weed.
He said, I got somewhere to be.
Did
I
you see
can't
that
stay
shark
on
flying
here.
around out there?
Yeah, that was a shark. You caught it.
Oh, really?
What? Yeah, he had it.
So there was another shark away from it. It was swimming around and flying. We might have had a shark on, but it got off.
So maybe that's what Karen saw over here. Right here, let me get that.
That's cool.
off of there. Okay, there you go.
All right, Richard. What you got?
Trout.
Oh,
A trout?
he's got a fish.
Yeah, about 14 inches.
He got a fish.
Quite legal.
Speckled trout.
Cool.
Another one. Rich, you got a speckled trout.
Oh, wait.
Get the hang
All
of
right.
it.
Yeah, Rich, you got it.
So what do you do now?
So you bring it in, and Melissa will show you how to take the hook out. Oh,
Oh, look at you. Your first fish.
actually, you just back the hook out. Yeah.
Back it out. There.
Look at that. He did
He's
it.
a pro.
All right.
He's a pro.
All right, Rich.
I don't know if I'm a pro.
Hey, mangrove snapper. Well, let's see that mangrove snapper. Whoa, stay in the boat, everybody. Oh, nice fish.
Nice.
That's a snapper.
Show me your
Pretty
snapper. All right,
Pretty fish.
he's a snapping.
Melissa, what do you got?
A catfish.
A catfish. Don't let him get you with those spines.
Damn catfish.
Now, the gloves won't protect you from a spine. He's a fighter, Melissa. That cat doesn't want to come in.
We don't want him in here either.
Bye-bye. Yeah. Right.
Good job.
You mangrove?
I don't know, Rick. Could it be
Yeah.
the baby mangrove?
See, honey, I know my fish.
Yeah, I caught your bigger brother
I
earlier.
got a keeper.
Well, here we are. We are headed back to Manatee Drive. Had a nice day on the water, beautiful weather. Caught a lot of fish, a lot of trout. Melissa used her brand new pole and she caught several fish. Rich caught some fish. Karen caught some fish. And I got lucky and caught a couple. And then we had a big surprise. The big surprise was, well, we won't talk about that surprise on this video. We'll hold that for another day. Signing out.